Hey guys, welcome to today's MCAT question of the day. As always, we'll be working our way through one of the mini MCAT practice problems found at MCATselfprep.com, the home of the free MCAT prep course. I'm Andrew George, a 99th percentile MCAT tutor, and I will be walking you through today's practice problem as if you were one of my private tutoring students. Be sure to hit pause and try this problem for yourself before watching my explanation. Okay, there are two ways that we can approach this practice problem. The first way is approaching it conceptually. And this is my preferred method for approaching any MCAT practice problem because I find that it's faster and because I find that the MCAT tends to require you to understand things conceptually and not just on a superficial level, okay? And the other method for approaching these practice problems is what I'll just call mathematically, okay? And mathematically approaching a problem is where you just use an equation and you don't really understand the inner workings of it. You just kind of plug and chug, right? Now let's talk about the first way, conceptually. In this problem we have Johnny, who's running along at the speed of light. Look at him go. Those are weird looking arms and legs, but just, he's running really fast, okay? He's going at a speed of 3 meters per second. And it says that he starts decelerating at a speed of 0.2 meters per second squared. Okay? And I think it's important to understand what the units mean for any number you're dealing with, right? So when we say he's decelerating at 0.2 meters per second squared, what does that actually mean? What these units mean is that Johnny, every second, Johnny is going to slow down his speed by 0.2 meters per second. So let me ask you this. After 1 second, what is Johnny's speed? Perfect. Yeah. It's 2.8 meters per second, right? So if we keep doing this, after 7 seconds, obviously, if you do the math, the very, very simple math, we know that his speed is going to be 1.4 meters per second less, right? So that means his speed after 7 seconds is 1.6 meters per second. Okay? Very, very simple way to approach this problem. And I think it's the easier way to go. Mathematically, you would use the equation V equals V0 plus A times T. And if you plug in 3 for V0 and you plug in minus 0.2 times 7, you're going to get the exact same answer of 1.6 meters per second. And taking a second look back at the question, we realize the answer is C. If you liked this MCAT question of the day, be sure to give it a like. And for more MCAT questions today, be sure to subscribe to this channel and enroll in our free MCAT prep course found at MCATselfprep.com. And if you are really looking to maximize your MCAT score, feel free to visit my tutoring profile page to request a free 10-minute phone consultation. I'd love to chat with you about your situation and how you can maximize your MCAT score. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and we'll see you next time.